Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Open the trunk. To access the rear light on the deck lid, we're gonna use a flat, straight screwdriver. You're gonna enter it in here, pull this cover off. Cover comes off. All right, we're gonna take the light assembly out. First, we're gonna disconnect the wires right here. You're gonna push these two tabs, pull that to disconnect. These nuts are 8mm. I'm using a socket, extension, and ratchet. So what you need to do is you're gonna push up in the center of the taillight to move it over, and then pull it straight out. You wanna make sure this lines up on the outside here. You're gonna fish the wires through, have it tilted up, pull it down flush. We're gonna reinstall the nuts using the socket and extension. We're gonna reinstall the trim panel. There's these two retainer clips that slide in up top, and then you push up and it should snap. The passenger side is the same as the driver's.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.